Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee standing here in the kitchen where I do a lot of videos for you guys. And with everything that's been going on with our family here, unfortunately, we have had to eat a lot of takeout and that kind of stuff in the last couple of months here because our situation was all jacked up. But I'm actually getting ready here to make a meal for the family tonight, give them some decent food for a change. And I wanted to share a little bit of information that I've been getting in my sort of my circles with different products that are being recalled right now. And I don't trust corporate America any more than I trust a lot of other things. I think most preppers are like that. But there's been a lot of emails and this kind of thing going around to people in my circle and people that I know here locally. Just quiet little recalls on a lot of it is on food related items, and a lot of it is on processed and pre-made stuff. And a lot of those things never make it, they never make it to the news, and you never hear anything about it. It's all quietly done, with corporate memos and emails, and they have a way of covering their tracks. They always have. And but people that are in the know, they get notified, and then they let a little bits of information out to people in their circles. And that's why it's good to know as many people as you possibly can when it comes to information gathering. It's always about that human intelligence when you're a prepper and you're in sort of that space like I am. And I thought it was important enough, and I've had multiple people say this to me. Hey, there's been a lot of stuff going on with, recalls on different food and stuff. And that's part of the reason why I always tell you guys, and I always show you guys how to cook from scratch, whether it's, baking bread or just that recent series of videos that I did on the long-term food storage cooking. Everything that I did was pretty much from scratch. And when you do it from scratch, yes, there's some processed stuff that gets in there, but a lot of times you can reduce the amount of ingredients and make something that's a lot safer and more nutritious for your family. But that's why I do all those videos to let you guys know how to do that stuff and pass that knowledge on. But anyway, I'm going to get cooking here, and I just wanted to share that little bit of information with you guys out there. So it's no better time to start cooking from scratch than right now. But anyway, you guys take care and be safe out there. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is Modern Refugee. You guys take care.